No, I already got your ticket. No worries. I'll inform you.
हो धनंजय
दादा आ गया ना, तू चुप क्यों रहा है? और आ जाओ फटाफट यार, राइट। और थोड़ा स्पीड, कम कम ऑन कम, आइए आइए थोड़ा सा ओके सर यार, वन मोर वन
First.
And now say third wave coffee.
Third wave coffee.
थैंक यू।
चल वाट
स्टूडियो में प्रियंका स्टूडियो में चल बेटा।
Finally.
Lovely meeting you. Lovely meeting you. No, absolutely no problem.
Nothing I could do about it.
And that's one for ma'am also.
Alright.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
He also can actually. He's a lucky charm
You're the
actually.
lucky charm.
That's a store.
How nice. Hi guys. I'm coming for free coffee. I'm telling you now only. I'm coming.
Meet Aniruddha, our founder,
That's money.
and Sushant is another co-founder,
Pleasure,
CEO.
man. Pleasure. So nice, yeah.
This looks so good.
Wow.
Shanti joined.
Yeah, I think we need.
पीछे आ जाओ भाई
Nice. I
This is
know.
the first store.
I know. I managed to realize a couple of people I know use your coffee as well.
Wonderful. That's nice.
And there will be another one.
Yeah, of course, absolutely.
Alright, yeah. Come on.
Congratulations, Sushant.
I'm not going to feed you all. That looks very cheesy. We'll all later.
Thank you. Thanks.
Pleasure. You want to chat with everybody?
We'll just go up. We have your own space.
Yeah. Can I have a coffee?
Sure.
In my hand. Don't make me nice one with milk. Yeah, proper. The ones you like. Whichever you like.
Everyone, please put your hands together for. So, your mere presence has made this occasion special for all of us. Also, I thank everyone present here for making time from their busy schedule and being here at the event. A big thanks to all of you. Well, we all know that coffee makes life better. Our mornings refreshing and our evenings memorable, right? So keeping this in mind, Third Wave Coffee has finally chosen Lokhandwala as its new destination for everyone, right from people who have just started their coffee journey to seasoned coffee lovers. We invite you all to experience the goodness of our handcrafted coffee. Now, I would like to call upon Mr. Sushant Goyal, the CEO and
First coffee of Bombay. Mumbai.
मोबाइल नीचे कर लो दादा.
I request everyone to please capture this moment. Thank you so much.
We have a bunch in Delhi in the north, and we're now launching the west with Mumbai. We plan to have roughly about 30 cafes in Mumbai in the next 6 months or so. So we are very excited. We are very excited to be bringing the brand from Bangalore now to Bombay, and not only to coffee aficionados but people who enjoy food, who enjoy a lovely ambiance. This is of course a perfect first setting, but look forward to many more of these. The other thing that I want to really mention today is that Mumbai is a very important city for us, not only because it's the commercial capital of India, but because a lot of the brand values, which are energy, transparency, care, and we are not the heroes of the product, it's the team at the back. If you see them, they are the partners, they are the heroes of the product, the brand. They actually resonate a lot of those values, right? So whether it is energy, transparency, care, hard work behind each and every cup of coffee, that's what they put in, day out. So, we are very proud that we have entered Bombay, which is very synonymous with our values, and we want to make Third Wave a massive success here. So welcome everyone. I'll take some questions later on, but I think, Arshad wanted to spend a few minutes. Would love for him to say a few words. And
क्या आप पूछना चाहोगे कुछ कि मैं ऐसे कुछ भी बक के घर चले जाऊँ? Anybody wants to ask me anything? यार फुजूल का कॉफी पीने आना ना सबके साथ.
Sir, how do you like the setup?
I think it's very nice. It's very beautifully done, very tastefully done. It's nice to have a place जहाँ पे ना दिल करता है जाने का. वो मजा आता है. So I think it's very very tastefully done. So yeah, it's a place where I would like to hang out. Love to come. And coffee is good, definitely. And I'm very honest.
Are you a coffee lover?
Big time, big time. My day starts with coffee.
What's your favorite coffee?
Don't ask me bad questions, man. Right here, you want to ask me?
He's just tried our cup today,
Yeah.
and the answer is only going to be one moving forward, right?
Yeah.
So it's going to be Third Wave Coffee.
Yeah,
Just say it.
it's going to be that. So I am a big time coffee guy. I have my day starts with coffee, it ends with coffee, and that's what keeps me moving throughout the day also, I'll be honest. Because post lunch, couple of hours, you want to go to sleep. So that's what happens. So yes, coffee means a lot to me, and good coffee means a hell of a lot to me. I basically have Nespresso, and I'll tell you honestly, one of the flavors that I'm fond of in that is the one that is India, which I think is from India. And I'm happy that we have coffee that belongs to our country, and we do make fabulous coffee. It's just that we don't promote it that much. And we are so fascinated by the West and things that come across the border that we get, we enjoy that. But I think we here have one of the finest and best coffees one can ever have. I'm having one of them right now. I'm so promoting this show. I want to be a part of this. Yes, okay.
Asha, you ever had a coffee date?
Coffee date. I tried, nobody wants to go out with me. And I'm married and she will beat you and me both. No. Yeah, actually one has gone with coffee, of course. When you're trying to be polite and it just moves on from coffee to dinner.
Any coffee date in Bali?
No. I used to work for her. No. But yeah, coffee, it's very funny. Maria and me have been we were working together, we became friends and we suddenly got married. So it was like that. It was not. I think we went on dates post-marriage.
Who takes coffee in the house?
Me, Maria only goes for friends. I have been making my cup of coffee. I'm not kidding, this is not a lie. I'm not just saying it. All my life, till today, the first cup of tea or coffee that I have in the morning, made by me. I do. And there's a valid reason. One, I'm a very early riser. And nobody else gets up in the house, so I have no choice but to make it myself. And I like my coffee the way I like it.
How do you like your coffee?
Okay, I'm going to tell you a secret. So I choose a good coffee, okay? And I think it's going to be third wave from now on. I promise I'm not saying it because I'm here. It's really good. You taste the coffee, you know what I'm talking about. It's good coffee. And I like to add a bit of hazelnut flavoring in it. That's how I like it. So it tastes good. It gives a little tinge of hazelnut. All without.
Asha, how many cups of coffee you have in a day? And when do you have a coffee? I mean, when is
My day actually starts at 4:35 in the morning. I get up at that time. That's when I have my first coffee. And when I'm going on my way to shoot, there's another cup of coffee. When I reach there and about 10, 11, there's another little bit of coffee. And by evening at 4 o'clock, I have another cup of coffee. I need to go and see a doctor. That's a lot.
No, you don't need to.
That's a lot of coffee. Or anything else? All good.
What's the coffee pairing you like?
You can really ask me anything else. I will not mind.
What's the favorite pairing with your coffee?
I told you, I said I like hazelnut.
No, the food pairing.
Oh, no food, nothing. I don't like anything. I just like coffee. Coffee is good. Coffee is good. All good, done. Wonderful.
Yeah, it is.
I'm running. Sorry for being late. I'm sorry for being late. I couldn't help it. My director didn't leave me. मुझे routine के लिए करना पड़ता है. Not everybody blames me. I mean, accepted that. That's a part of it. All right.
Excellent. Thanks, Arshad. Thanks,
Thank you.
I appreciate it. Thanks.
Space downstairs.
Look at center.
Thanks, sir. Come.
Okay, sir, good to see you. You have
Thank
came up for
thank you.
third wave. It's a good name.
Yeah.
So what do you want to say about it?
Okay, so see, my involvement here is basically that the place belongs to me. That's it. A lot of people wanted to hire the place and all that, and we're just trying to see which is a place that will work or whatever. Let's say I would like to come or people would like. I felt coffee is one. The other factor is that third wave actually has everything very Indian, which I like. You know, the coffee is very Indian, comes from the south. They do all the work themselves. Everything is here, and that is what I like. You know, I mean not because it's Indian. It's actually damn good coffee here. Like as I was telling, as a Nespresso they have the variety that comes from all over the world. But usme my favorite one, which I actually had and I liked, was Indriya, which is actually Indian. And I realized that we actually make damn good coffee. So, and I kept wondering why isn't somebody really. So I realized that these guys do. They actually they do everything themselves, and so which is great. So I said, yeah, nice guy, nice place, and the whole ideology towards coffee is pretty good.
Okay, so if you want to bring any of your co-star over here, so who will be?
अरे बाप रे आई डोंट थिंक मेरा ऐसा कोई स्पेशल नहीं हुआ जिसके साथ काम कर रहा हूँ दिल भी है सो ऐसा ही है whoever I'm working with will be coming if I come here तब मेरे खुद के आने के प्रॉब्लम में तो I think मंगाएंगे I think I have a feeling कि wherever I'm shooting I will be ordering coffee from here that I think I'll do.
Okay, so after the success of Bachchan Pandey, what do you?
Don't lie, it's not a success.
No, sir. It
No,
was
I
a
think it was a good film, but unfortunately it happens. Some things work. I feel it has just it went through a bad patch. There were various things that made it not as successful that it should have been. Because it's a big film, it needed to generate a lot more money. But I think still it's not a lost film. It didn't go in a loss. It's covered his money, so it's all fine.
Do you think it is an OTT effect on it?
OTT effect on it. I don't know if it's an OTT effect. I think. Okay, I've got an answer, but I can't give it, so I'm not going to give it. Let's not get into that.
Okay, so
It's a different space.
After this, what are your plans?
I'm right now shooting for a film called Jeevan Bima Yojana, which I'm so enjoying. It is not funny. It's a hilarious thriller. It's crime thriller done by the most innocent people of the society. Okay, and I've got Sanjeeda Sheikh with me. I got Pooja Chopra with me. I've got Vijay Raz and Vijendra Kala and Abhishek Dongra. It's such a fun script. It's so much fun. I had to do it. So I'm doing that, and then I'll be off to Chandigarh for the last schedule of Banda Singh. I've got another 1 week to go. Then that'll be done. This should be done in another 15-20 days max.
Any OTT?
No, Asur is releasing now. I think by June, July, August, Asur should. Quiet Children.
And the buzz of Asur 1 was fantastic.
I actually like. I'm not saying it because Asur is releasing. Honestly, I'm telling you, Asur 2 I find better than. Better in a sense, it's more exciting, more thrilling. It's more on the edge of the seat. All that thing. Asur 2 has it.
And we can see Asur 3 also, sir.
I have a very strong feeling because I feel if people liked Asur 1, 2 they will love, which means 3 might happen. So I don't know.
Thank you so much, sir.
Pleasure is all mine.
That's our entire team at the
I need all your faces. If I don't get my coffee.
Sushant.
Who else is there? Anybody else? Sorry, मैं आज यूनिफॉर्म में नहीं हूँ.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure is all mine.
Sorry, one second.
Don't get my coffee. Okay, right? I'm catching you. There we go. सब लोग फोटो निकाल बता रहा हूँ कॉफी अच्छी नहीं मिली तो पकड़ लेना प्लीज Where is this guy?
Come. I've called him. He's here. अरे हाँ नीचे आजा
देख लिया वो गिर गया हाय डार्लिंग
सर बहुत बड़ा विनय एक फोटो ये सभी सोनू मार यार सोनू
अरे रुक जा नीचे आ रहे
चल झूठा
अरे सर को दे दे